Dear students, how are you all? Welcome to Geography class, Bridge Course, Session 16. So it is Geography class, today's class. Today's topic, Power Resources. See here students, power or energy plays a vital role in our lives. We also need power for industry, agriculture, transport, communication, and defense. Power resources may be broadly categorized as conventional and non-conventional resources. First, I'm talking here, I'm giving one example. Sunny. Sunny's mother begins her day by switching on the geyser. She irons Sunny's school uniform before waking him up. She then rushes to the kitchen to prepare a glass of orange juice for him in the blender. Sunny, have you finished taking bath? Come and have your breakfast, calls out mother. While preparing breakfast on the gas stove for Sunny. While going to school, Sunny forgets to switch off lights and fans. When mother switches them off, she thinks that life in the cities may be more comfortable, but its dependency on the more and more gadgets all of consumes energy has led to a wide gap between the demand and the supply. Okay, with the advent of science and technology, the lifestyles are changing very fast. So it is the power or energy is the it plays in our lives very important role. See here now some advantages and disadvantages of these all. We know that, see here. First I am talking about conventional sources. Sources, see here, these are the energy are those which have been in common use for a long time. Firewood and fossil fuels are the two main conventional energy sources. But before I talking about advantages and disadvantages of these all conventional sources, so first I am talking about here firewood. Okay, so first advantages I am taking here. So for firewood advantages, there here easy access, provides energy to a large number of people, and disadvantage is there here collection is time consuming, polluting, promoting greenhouse effect and deforestation. So it is about firewood. So next one is there here coal. Coal advantage is there extensively available, efficient conservation means conversion to electricity, and some disadvantages they here polluting source and bulky to transport. And next is there here hydel power. So hydel power advantage is there here non-polluting, promotes irrigation and fishing and cheap. Disadvantage is there here displacement of local community, so in rates low, expensive to set up. It is about conventional sources of energy. So some first one I am talking about conventional sources, firewood. See here in this picture the woman is collecting the firewoods. It is widely used for cooking and heating in our country. More than 50% of the energy used by villagers comes from firewood. Remains of plants and animals which were buried under the earth for millions of years got converted by the heat and pressure into fossil fuels. Fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, natural gas are the main sources of conventional energy. The reserves of these minerals are limited. The rate at that which growing world population is consuming them is a far greater than the rate of their formation. So these are likely to be exhausted soon. So it is about firewood. So next I am talking coal. Coal, it is the most abundantly found fossil fuel. It is used as a domestic fuel in industries such as iron and steel, steam engines, and to generate electricity. Electricity from coal is called thermal power. The coal which we are using today was formed millions of years ago. So when giant ferns and swamps got buried under the layers of the earth, coal is therefore referred to as buried sunshine. Coal is also referred as buried sunshine. The leading coal producers of the world are China, USA, Germany, Russia, South Africa, and France. The coal producing areas of India are Raniganj, Jharia, Dhanbad, and Bokaro in Jharkhand. So it is about coal. So next I am talking about petroleum, the petrol that keeps your car running, as well as the oil that keeps your cycle from swicking. Both began as a thick black liquid called petroleum. It is found between the layers of rocks and is drilled from oil fields located in offshore and coastal areas. So this is then sent to refineries which process the crude oil. So see here in this picture, crude oil, and produce a variety of products like diesel, petrol, kerosene, wax, plastics, and lubricants. Petroleum and its derivatives are called black gold as they are very valuable. The cheap petroleum producing countries are Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar. The other major producers are USA, Russia, Venezuela, and Algeria. The leading producers in India are Digboi in Assam, Bombay, High in Mumbai, and the deltas of Krishna and Godavari rivers. So it is about crude oil. So afterwards I am talking natural gas. Natural gas is found with petroleum deposits and is released when crude oil is brought to the surface. It can be used as a domestic and industrial fuel. Russia, Norway, UK, and Netherlands are the major producers of natural gas. In India, Jaisalmer, Krishna, Godavari Delta, Tripura, and some areas offshore in Mumbai have natural gas resources. Very few countries in the world have sufficient natural gas reservoirs of their own. The sharp increase in our consumption of fossil fuels has led to their depletion at an alarming rate. The toxic pollutants releasing from burning these fuels are also a cause for concern. Unchecked burning of fossil fuel is like an unchecked dripping up which will eventually run dry. So this has led to the tapping of various non-conventional sources of energy, so that are cleaner alternative to fossil fuels. It is about natural gas. So next I am talking hydel power. See here in this picture, so what is there here? Turbine is connected here, generator is there here, and water reservoir is there here. So it is a dam. Okay. See here, hydel power, rainwater or river water stored in dams. So it is made to fall from heights. The falling water flows through pipes inside the dam. Over turbine blades, see here blades are there, plates at the bottom of the dam. The moving blades, they turn on the generator, it is the generator to produce electricity. So this is called hydroelectricity. The water discharged after the generation of electricity is used for irrigation. 1/4 of the world's electricity is produced by hydel power. The leading producers of hydel power is in the world are Paraguay, Norway, Brazil, and China. Some important tidal power stations in India are Bhakranangal, Gandhi Sagar, Nagarjun Sagar, and Damodar Valley projects. So this is about tidal power. Okay students, I hope today's class you understood. Okay, so next session I am continuing in next class. Thank you.